Roxy's in heaven right now. Hi guys! Magmukbang daw itong dalawang asong to. So, itry natin magmukbang-mukbang daw kami with the dog. Come here, Rox. Come here, Misty. Come here. Like this. Come here. Come here. Come here, guys. Sit. Come here, sit. Sit. Come here, Misty. Do you want some? Okay. Come here. Listen, Roxy. Come here. Right here. I'm using this. Do you want some food? Sit down. Do you want some food? Do you want? Come here, Misty. I'm going to use this because I never tried this before. And because... Oh, don't sleep on my armpits. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Into this video, I'm doing a mukbang with my two dogs. Meet my dogs. If you are new in my channel, if you just, discover my channel, if you just, meet my dog, her name is Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Come. Okay, her name is Roxy. Come here. She is Australian Shepherd. Australian Shepherd. And her name is Roxy. Come here, Misty. And this dog right here her name is Misty, and she is terrier. Half terrier mix something. It's a terrier mix. And so, come right. So you guys, do you want some din? Their food. This is the regular food that I always give them with. I always give them with the turkey with something extra, because that's how from the beginning when we got them, their daddy is always giving them extra to their food. So, and I have chicken KFC right here, and then turkey. Turkey is really their food, and then extra. So, okay, I'm gonna try this, Rox. Okay, come here, right here. Right here. You want mukbang? Okay, right here. Oh my goodness. So this is their first time of doing mukbang. Come here. It's okay. You can eat it. Yeah, you can eat it. Okay. You guys are not eating. I'm going to eat it all. Come here, Rox. Come here. Ay, nako. Okay, I'm going to mix that with your food, okay? This is really hard. It makes your freaking finger hurt, though. Okay, I'm going to mix this with your food. Roxy, can you eat this with your food, Rox? So, Roxy, do you want this? Do you like this? Do you like this? Open your mouth. Good girl. Okay. So, do you like this, Rox? Do you like it? Do you like it? Right here. Do you like it? Yes. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up. Good girl. Who wants some of this? Sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Come here, Misty. Misty, sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Do you like this? Yes, she's staring at me, guys. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up, Misty. Come here. Sit up. Good girl. I believe I can fly. Sit up. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about you every now and then. Sit up. Good girl, Rox. Let's try again the chopstick, okay? I want to try the chopstick with you guys, okay? Okay, come here, Rox. Sit up, Rox. Okay. Good girl, Roxy. Do you like the chopstick? Come here, miss. Come here. Okay. Do you want this, Rox? Do you like this? Do you like this? Oh, good girl. Okay. Dog mukbang. Guys, I hope you enjoy the mukbang of my dogs. Yeah, they have a chopstick. They're kind of trying to be... Come here, Misty. Sit up, Miss. Come here, Miss. Okay, good girl. Good girl. okay. That's okay. So this dog is Australian Shepherd, and she's a really good dog. Come here, Mitz. Come here, Misty. Come here. Roxy, I want you to sit down. Sit up. Good girls. Good girl, Rox. Sit up, Rox. Oh. Come here, Misty. Sit up. Good girl. Oh, correct. Sit up, Rox. Sit. Good girl. There you go. You like that thing? Oh, you like it, huh? You like it, huh? Oh, you do. You do like it. Oh. Come here, you Misty. Sit up, Mitz. Good girl. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Sit up, Rox. Sit up. Good girl, Rox. This is gonna be your first mukbang, right? Sit up. Sit up. Ah, good girl. Good girl. Okay. This is Mama's first time. Sit up, Mitz. Sit up. Ay, naku, you're not sitting up, baby. Roxy, look at Mama. Do you want something, Rox? Do you like it? What do you want, Dada? Or do you want some bunsi? Which one do you want? You want turkey? Okay, come. Turkey. No, sit up. Sit. Sit up. Oh, good girl. Come here, Misty. Come here, Mitz. Sit up, Mitz. Sit up. Good girl. I don't really know how to do this thing, guys, but good girl. Okay. Sit up. Okay, good girl. Okay, good girl. Okay. Rocks. Hey, you're not sitting up, baby. Okay, Misty, sit up, Mitz. Did you hear that, guys? She was burping. Here. Misty, come here. Like it, Roxy? Tell them you like it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you want more? Do you want more? Huh? You just burp. Come. Okay. Come here, Misty. Guys, if you notice, Misty doesn't like to bite a lot, big pieces, but Roxy can bite and swallow big pieces. So, yeah. Okay. Come here, Misty. No, Misty. Come here. Good girl. You like it? You like it? Oh, you love it. You love it. Good girl. Misty, come here. Come here. Misty? Okay, guys. Misty, if she doesn't want to come to me, guys, I won't give something because that's her mentality. She want you to go to her and she just be away from you. If she doesn't want to come here, if I called, I'm not forcing her because she will. Right here, Roxy. Come here, Misty. Misty, come here. Look at that. She walked really slow. Come here. Okay, good girl. Good Okay, you enjoy now? Are you happy? Are you happy that you have a really good treats? This is your birthday party. Come here, Misty. This is your birthday. You guys are 3 years old. Come here. You guys are 3 years old. This is a birthday party of you too. Because if you guys doesn't know, they have the same mother. I don't know how you say it differently. They're born at the same time, but they said the same mother, different father. I don't know, but that's what the shelter told us, that they are sisters, the same mother. Okay, that's it for now. They have leftover right here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is have leftover, put it in their food and let them eat their real food, and for sure they will eat it later when they get hungry because they're full now. So what I'm gonna do is have their food mixed with the treats and your brain exploding, Rox? Is your brain exploding? You love it so much. Misty is hiding over there, so Rox is in heaven right now. You're in heaven, Rox. Don't worry, guys, you won't finish this. I won't let her. She loves it so much. Okay, you have to leave something for your sister, okay? Roxy, listen to me. Hey, listen to me. Roxy. Hey, wait, Roxy, listen to me. Boy, leave something for your sister, okay? Okay? Leave something to your sister. Come here. Let do Misty now. Okay, let do Misty. Come here. Let do Misty. Come here. Let your sister do this. Come here, Mitz. Come here. Come here. Okay, done. Bye-bye. Thank you for the treats, Mama. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you guys in my next video.